Delete NFT on OpenSea. OpenSea NFT delete steps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can delete NFT on OpenSea. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete your NFT on OpenSea, go ahead and then open up the NFT application over here. Then once you launch the OpenSea application here, just come to the profile icon. It says login with a wallet to see all your NFTs, right? So from here, all you have to do is just tap on the login option, tap on continue, then log in with your respective wallet, such as whichever wallet it is that you have. Then once you log in with your respective wallet, you will see the wallet pop up here. Now from here, depending upon which wallet you use, you can simply go to this little option that says NFTs, and you will see the NFTs that you own. In my case, I don't have an NFT, so if you want, then you can just go ahead and select that, and once you've done that, you will be able to delete your NFTs. This way you can delete NFTs on OpenSea. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.